Do you think the J.Crew deal is a sign that there will be more apparel private equity takeovers?
The deal is one of many data points that we're seeing that could offer more apparel deals in the offing in the next couple of months. We've also seen JOANN stores being taken over. Trian Corp was wanting to take over Family Dollar. That's been rejected. So there's a lot of interesting things that private equity companies are looking at in the apparel space, particularly stronger balance sheets, strong cash flow. Store growth is a lot slower than it was in the past. And then lastly, I think private equity companies are looking at margin structures. Margins today are a lot lower than where they were at the peak. And also there's a lot more growth opportunity for companies potentially in international markets.
Which apparel companies do you think might get taken over this year?
Three companies we think that could be looked at from a private equity standpoint would be American Eagle, Abercrombie, and Chico's. Looking at each of the companies by themselves, American Eagle is a company with underperforming management, underperforming fundamentals. Operating margins are 60%, 70% below peak levels. The company has a ton of stores that could close and a great balance sheet. With Abercrombie & Fitch, you have a great balance sheet. You have operating margins also well below peak levels, and you have an opportunity for the company to grow internationally. Private equity could take it private today, bring it back public in a couple of years as a more balanced global growth company such as Ralph Lauren. And then lastly, Chico's is a company with a lot of stores that could be closed, again, operating margins below peak levels, and also has about 25% of the market cap in cash.